Let's learn how to record A05s mobile screen. In this mobile, not received default screen recording option. So we want to download third-party application. Let's download an application. Go to mobile Play Store and search here X Recorder. Now I already installed this application. You can install it. After, you can set up it like this. Go to this application settings. After, you can select audio settings and you can select the video resolutions. After, you can record your mobile screen using this X Recorder application. Lot of features have on this X Recorder application. You can try these features. In this method, you can record your mobile screen very perfectly.